Various government agency heads and/or representatives, including National Security Council, Department of National Defense, and Philippine Coast Guard, have already voiced out their takes against the statements released by the Chinese embassy regarding the issue in the West Philippine Sea. The palace didn't just stay seated and stood up to express support, stressing that the president will not surrender even an inch of our territory.
Ang Pangulo po, siya po ang nagsabi na hindi po niya isusurrender even an inch of our territory.
The palace expressed support for various government officials amid the exchange of barbs with the Chinese embassy under Ambassador Jing Quan. Aside from Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, other government agency heads and their representatives have also spoken out against statements released by the Chinese embassy, particularly on the issue of the West Philippine Sea. The National Security Council stressed that officials, spokespersons, and institutions in the Philippines are mandated to inform the public of developments related to national security, including the West Philippine Sea, as a democratic country governed by the rule of law. The NSC added, any act of intimidation or attempt to silence Philippine officials performing their duties falls outside diplomatic engagement and constitutes a violation of the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. The Department of National Defense echoed this stance, asserting it will not be intimidated by any Chinese official and will continue to oppose lies and wrongful actions.
Ano man po ang ginagawa ng ating mga ahensya upang ipaglaban ang interes ng ating bansa, yan po ang nais ng Pangulo at yan din po ang utos ng Pangulo. But mananatili pa rin po na diplomasya ang kailangan para kung mayroon mang issues sa ibang bansa, maayos po. In a way na dapat may kasamang diplomasya.
Commodore Tariela once again condemned what he described as brazen and insulting statements against lawmakers who had also criticized the Chinese embassy, including Senator Risa Hontiveros, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, and Senator Erwin Tulfo. He said this clearly constitutes disrespect toward elected officials and an attack on the country's sovereignty. In a separate statement, Tariela also lashed out at what he called trolls siding with China, questioning their being Filipino. The Department of Foreign Affairs has already conveyed to the Chinese embassy and its ambassador its serious concern over the escalating exchange of statements. The DFA reiterated its support for Philippine officials but stressed the need for calm, professional, and respectful exchanges. The DFA also believes it remains important to uphold diplomacy and strengthen cooperation in other areas, such as establishing formal communication between the Philippine and Chinese Coast Guards, cooperation in ocean meteorology, as well as boosting trade and investment, agricultural cooperation, and people-to-people interaction. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.